Hi, I'm Fabio, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 14 questions to learn more about your ideal customer. Alright, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying your thoughts about the video, where you're from, or just hi subscribed, as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. These 14 questions are really important for you to discover your avatar, the person that you are going after. The man who chases too many rabbits catches none. And this is so important to focus on just one specific type of customer, and you know exactly who you're targeting. That way, when you do messaging, when you do maybe a video, a webinar, or just a piece of content, or if you're doing an email, you're sending an email, or you're doing a sales letter, or you're building a funnel, the way you write the scripts and the copy of the funnel and just everything, you can target really well on your copy, because now you have your target audience, your ideal customer. And this is very important that you answer these 14 questions so that you know exactly who you are targeting. Because when you know people's fears, people's desires, people's struggles and things like that, and you tap into those things that they really struggle with, or they like and love and desire, then you are connecting with them on a deeper level, and you bring in that emotion, which people buy on emotion, and you're connecting with them on a deeper level because you know them. So these 14 questions will help you create your ideal avatar, ideal customer. And I recommend you first, have the name of the person. It can be any name, so you remember the name. Then you have a picture of that person that is your ideal customer. And then you want to type how old they are, and just answer all these 14 questions so that you can exactly know what is it they're all about. And you can do this for all kinds of niches, okay? You have to choose what kind of person you're going to target, and then you ask these questions, okay? All right, so here are the 14 questions. 1. What keeps them awake at night, ingesting, boiling up in their esophagus, eyes open, staring at the ceiling? 2. What are they afraid of? 3. What are they hangry about? 4. Who are they hangry at? 5. What are their top daily frustrations? 6. What trends are occurring and will occur in their business or lives? 7. What do they secretly, ardently desire most? 8. Is there a built-in bias in the way they make decisions? For example, engineers are exceptional analytical. 9. Do they have their own language or jargon they use? 10. What magazines do they read? 11. What websites do they visit? 12. What's this person's day like? 13. What's the main dominant emotion this market feels? And 14. What is the one thing they crave above all else? There we go. Now note that these questions, what you want to be doing is based on the answers that you found about your targeted avatar or target customer. You want to write down, like, this is an example. So Angela, which is the name of your avatar, she is 29 years old. She's single and lives in a 2-bedroom rented apartment with her cat. Angela is organized, always smart dressed, very enthusiastic. She organizes Mac's calendar, although she spends a lot of time reading beauty, fashion, and celebrity. Angeli spends most of her Christian income on going out, entertaining, online shopping. She's always glued to the phone, constantly texting and using social media apps. So yeah, you want to write down that all about the ideal customer. You want to know where they go. Do they hang? What websites do they visit? All these questions that I gave you are really, really important for you to discover most important things for them, right? So there we go. I hope that was helpful. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button. And if you thought this was good, below I'm going to leave a link for my $1 challenge, which now is 14 days for free. And that is everything you need to start making money online. I'm going to give you. And if you go to that website, which is below in the description, and you take action and you register to take part on the $1 challenge, which is free for 14 days now, I will give you a 15-minute strategy session with you on Zoom. And that is only for people that take action within 3 hours as I publish this video. So I published the video within 3 hours. If you go ahead and you sign up to the $1 challenge, I will give you this 15-minute strategy session for free so you can have a plan of action and start building and creating passive income for yourself from the comfort of your home. All right, thank you so much. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself. Stay blessed, and I'll see you. Cheers.